Hi, I'm Jesse, and I work at the Medford home office.
The Tesla Model S was introduced as one of the first consumer EVs available in the United States. Was it the very first? No, but it might be one of the first to get it right. Why is that? Well, for starters, it's put a focus on being a luxury vehicle first and an EV second. You'll notice that a lot of the EVs at this time went for extremely futuristic designs, while the Tesla is more subtle with its futuristic looks. This means that the look is more relatable to most mainstream car buyers, making it a more appealing choice. Part of being an EV is the lack of an engine, right? So what does that mean for what could have been an engine compartment? Well, it means that instead of being a place to store your engine, it's actually now a place to store your stuff, or in other cases, any spare accountants you may have. Most cars have an infotainment system these days, but how many have one with the capabilities of a gaming PC? The system has a giant touchscreen that spans from the top of the dash all the way to the bottom. But more than that, it's full of useful features to help the fun-loving EV driver get by in their Tesla. Need to figure out how to get places? Navigation system. Have a furry friend with you and want to make sure they're okay while hanging out in the car? Dog mode. Need to kill 30-ish minutes at the charging station in the Target parking lot and don't want to be tempted by their low prices, app-exclusive offers, Starbucks, and the abundant selection of groceries, clothing, and toys that the whole family will enjoy? Built-in video games are there to help you and your wallet. Other things you can enjoy? 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. The whole thing charges in 25 minutes with the supercharger. Has autonomous driving, heated and cooled seats, all-wheel drive, and regenerative braking to help you charge that battery. If you're ready to drive the future, you really can't go wrong with the Tesla Model S P100D.